बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Assalamu alaikum students, hope you all are fine. Welcome to the maths class. Today we are going to discuss our first chapter, which name is, you can see in your index there is first chapter, which is numbers and arithmetic operation. Okay, we are going to solve exercises of chapter number 1, which name is numbers and arithmetic operations. So it will be good if you will make title page of chapter number 1. Okay, you will just mention chapter number 1 and write numbers and arithmetic operations. Okay, comes towards the exercise. Today we are going to solve exercise 1b. Okay, we are going to solve question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 of exercise 1b. Okay, and you may find this exercise or these questions on page number 9. Come towards the questions as we are going to discuss aiding. Okay, look at here. The question number 4 is aid the following. You may find this question in your book, and this is your book work. You have to solve this question in your books. Look at here as I have written it on the board. Okay, now adding these numbers. How you will add this? You will add this number into this. What it mean? You have to add 7 into 6. How you will add? Start adding 7 into 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When we add 7 into 6, it becomes 13. Okay. So how you will write 13 in your answer? Will you write it like this? No. You in this case, we just carry this number. We will carry this number to the next number. Okay. We will carry 1 to the 4. So I will write 1 at the upside. Okay. How I will write 13? I will just carry left digit to the, I will carry left digit to the next number. Now start adding 1 into 4. When you will add 1 into 4, it becomes 5. As we have also 1 here in the form of carry, so we will add this 1 too. Okay, when we add 4 into 1, it becomes 5, and when we add this 1, so it will become 6. So the answer is 6. Okay, and when we add 8 into 0, it becomes 8. So I will just write 8 here. Now comes towards second one, which is you have to add 5 into 3. Okay, start adding 5 into 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we add 5 into 3, it becomes 8. It becomes 8. Now in the last we have 4 and 3. How we will add this? We will add 3 into 4. It becomes 5, 6, 7. It becomes 7. So the final answer is 7, 8, 8, 6, 3. Okay, which we got from these numbers by adding these numbers. You have to solve B, C and D part into your books. Okay, as this is I have told you, this is your book work. Now comes towards the copy work, which is question number 5. Turn your pages, come towards question number 5 on page number 10. You will find question number 5 on page number 10. In question number 5, they are saying write vertically and add. Firstly, I have to told you that what the meaning What is the meaning of vertically? If I have 3 digits, look at here, if I have 5, 6 and 7. If I have 3 digits and I am writing these digits in this way, so what we call this, we will call this that I am writing these numbers in horizontally. Okay, if I write these numbers like this from top to bottom, I will say that I am writing these digits in vertically. Okay, hope you have understood this. So we are going to solve these questions. A part of question number 5 is 2, 4, 6, 3, 9 plus or 8, 1, 0, 2, 5, 1. Now solve it like this. How you will copy these digits? You will first write these numbers 2, 4, 6, 3, 9. Now you will write what we are going to add in this. Okay, we are going to add these numbers. Okay, so I will write 1, 0, 2, 5, 1. Now we will start adding these numbers. Okay, as you know very well, we start adding from the right side. Look at here, when we add 1 into 9, it becomes 10. Okay, so I will write 0 here and give 1 carry on the next digit. Okay, now start adding 5 into 3. Then in the last you will also add 1. Okay, 5, you will add 5 into 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so we will write 9 here. Now add 2 into 6. Okay, 7, 8. When we add 2 into 6, it becomes 8. And when we will add any digit with 0, it becomes same as here is 4. Okay, when we add 0 into 4, it becomes 4. Now in the last we have 1 and 2. Now you have to add 1 into 2. It becomes, when we add 1 into 2, it becomes 3. So the final answer we have is 34890, which you have to do in your copies. As I have told you that this is your book work, which you have to do in your book. And question number 5, you have to do at least 3 parts. Okay, A, B and C. You have to do 3 parts of this question in your copy, neat and clean. Now comes towards question number 6. Question number 6 is write the number which is 200 more than 125,000. Okay, what is the mean of more than here? Mean to say, they want to say that you have to add 200 in this number. Okay, here more than means to add. You have to add 200. You will solve it like this. You will write 1, 2, 5, 000, and you have to add 200 in this. So 0, 0 and 2, and you will mention the plus here. Okay, now start adding. When we add 0 into 0, it becomes 2. It becomes 0. Okay, same as it is here. When we add 0 into 0, it becomes 0. And now look at here. When we add 0 into 2, it becomes 2. Same as it is. Okay, so we will just write 2 here. And there is nothing, so we will just copy these number same as it is. 5, 2, 1. Okay, so the answer is 1, 2, 5, 2, 0. Mean to say, when we add this number into 200, it becomes 1, 2, 5, 2, 0. Final answer is 1, 2, 5, 2, 0. B part, come towards B part, which is 1000 more than 2 lakh. Okay, 1000 more than 2 lakh. Now we will add 1000 in this. Okay, in 2 lakh. How you will recognize that you have to add by seeing this. More than means plus. Okay, so you will just write it here. Two lakh. Now you have to add 1000. Now start adding these numbers. When you will add 0 into 0, it becomes 0. 0 into 0, 0. 0, 0 into 0, 0. And when you will add 0 into 1, it becomes 1. 0 will come same as it is here, and 2 will also. So the final answer you will get is 201000. Okay, so this is your today's work which you have to do in your book and copies. This was your book work which you have to solve, in your books A, B and C. You have to solve all these parts. Okay, A, B and C, D. Okay, comes towards copy work, which is question number 5 and question number 6. Okay, you have to do in your copies. You have to do 3 parts of this question, and you have to solve 3 parts of this question. Okay, and I am telling you again that you have to make title page, and you will mention chapter number 2, and you will write numbers and arithmetic operation. Then you will start doing question number 5 and question number 6 of this exercise, which is exercise 1B. You don't have to mention page number. Okay, so it is enough for today. We will meet in the next class. Allah Hafiz.